Hello, everyone. This is Tina Kadish of Life is Ideal, and happy Monday to all of you. And for all of you that are suffering through this cold weather, I hope that you all stay warm during these cold weather. I know that myself, I'm cozy here in my home, and I wanted to shoot a quick video and share with you as we continue our 2018 year. And what is the formula to living a passionate life? There's 3 steps. The first step in the formula is living a life with intention. All of us set intentions. What do we want to create? And really an intention is creating your life. What do you want your life to look like? What are your goals? But really it's designing your life, really being intentional what you want to create for your life. So as we embark on this year, what are your intentions? Where do you see yourself going in this year? Where do you see your business going? You know, what are some challenges that you want to overcome, and really be intentional with what you want to create this year. Too many of us are just going. We're just running around, spinning around, and we're really not intentional. So I want you to really step back and think about, what are my intentions this year? What do I want to manifest in my life? What do I want to bring into my life? And I really want all of you to just begin writing down your intentions for this year. That is the first step. The second step is attention. Focus on what you want to create. It's very simple. It's what are you putting your attention on? You know, and you want to manage that. Really focus on what? The top 3, they tell us, focus on top 3 things. Don't go crazy focusing on too many things. So whatever you put your attention on grows or expands. So if we're putting our attention on negativity, you're going to get more negativity. If you focus on positivity, you're going to get more positive results. So I want you to really think about, where am I putting my attention? You know, and it begins with our mindset. Okay, that's a whole nother topic in itself. But we really want to focus on, where are we focusing on? Where is our attention going? Okay, and then the third step in the formula, believe it or not, it's no tension. So what does that mean? That means let's let it go. Let's detach ourselves from the outcome. Too many of us are just spinning around, going crazy, worrying. We have anxiety. We're thinking of all these things. And it's simple. Create your intentions, write them down. Second step is attention. Where are you spending your time? Where are you focusing on? That's the number 2. Number 3, and then let it go. Relieve yourself from all that worrying, that anxiety that we spend so many hours we are spending time. I know myself, I've been a worrywart, always worrying about money. You know, many of you can relate to that. We're worrying about money. Where does that get us? It gets us nowhere. Okay? The more you worry about it, the less you might have. So let's focus on abundance versus scarcity. So really, that's the third step in the formula. It's really letting go. That is the third step in the formula. So the first one is intention. It's really creating your life. Second, it's attention. Where are you focusing on? Where are you putting all your energy, all your time in? Where you're putting your attention expands. Third is no tension. Let it go. Release it. Don't detach yourself from the outcome. Okay, so when you're making that sales call and you're just thinking about, okay, this is a sales call. Okay, they're gonna buy my program. They're gonna buy my program. No, your goal during that, and when I'm saying letting it go, you're creating a relationship with that person. You're building rapport with that person. Your intention with that call should not be a sales call. It should get to know that person, building rapport, connecting to see if you are right for them and if they are right for you as a client. So don't focus on that when you're making a sales call. Detach yourself from the outcome. And that's taken me a long time to get to that point of letting go, because I need to be in control and I need to just hold on. But when you just let it go, it's just so relieving. All right. So I want to leave you with those 3 steps, and I just want to let you know that I'm going to be hosting a workshop, Unleash Your Passion and Create Your Vision, in 2018 on Saturday, January 20th in New Haven. Go to lifeisideal.com so that you can enroll. Early registration ends today. If you bring a friend, your friend will receive half off the price. So I encourage all of you, if you really want to unleash your passion and create your vision for 2018, this is the workshop that you need to join, because what we're going to do in this time from 9:30 to 1 is we're going to first identify your top 5 passions, how you're going to live your life with purpose. And then we're going to take those passions and we're going to create your vision board. That is huge. It's the first time that I am offering both at the same workshop, and I think it's going to be very powerful for you. If you are in transition right now, you just don't know where your direction is, or you want to create a vision for 2018, we're going to have lots of fun. All supplies included, breakfast is included as well. We're going to have a great time. We're also going to create a 30-day action plan as well during this session. So I encourage all of you, sign up today. Early registration ends tonight, and jumpstart your 2018 and really create your vision, unleash your passion for 2018. So I just want to leave with that. Go to www.lifeisideal.com tonight, and let's get you in 2018 and make it a powerful 2018, and let's rise together. That's my word for 2018. Let's rise together. I want you to rise in 2018. Good night, everybody, and I hope that all of you stay warm. Bye-bye.